Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, today I have an amazing, affordable, under $15 collection. Can you guys guess? I mean, you already saw the thumbnail, you saw the title. Today I am going to review some products from the brand new collection from Profusion. They sent over the Pumpkin Spice Collection and I mean, I have some thoughts. I have some thoughts on this palette. We're trying out the palette. We're trying out the little lip combo as well as the baked highlight and blushes. So grab your brushes, you guys, because today we're going to get glammed using drugstore makeup, okay? Grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's review. Alright guys, so let's jump right into the review. I'm really excited because Profusion is one of my favorite brands that is extremely affordable. I was really lucky enough to receive some products from their newest launch, which is their Pumpkin Spice Collection. Literally perfect for this time of year. It is September, which is cozy month, pumpkin spice month. I'm actually gonna go get me a pumpkin spice latte later, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got in PR and then I will tell you what actually all is in the collection. So they sent over their pumpkin spice palette and this is what it looks like. Super pretty. It comes with the cover film with all the names and it has really pretty fall related shades, these greens, and then we have some like berry colors. We have a little bit of the oranges and the more warm brassy tones. They also sent over two of their, actually one baked blush and one baked highlighter. This is what they look like. Really pretty. This is in the shade apple swirl and then chai latte. As you can see, both of these do have a little bit of like a shimmer highlight look to them, so that should be interesting. And then the last thing they sent over is their Cashmere Lips Cozy Chai Lip Liner and Balm Duo. I am so excited for this. You guys know that I love lip combos, so I'm excited to try that. The palette retails for $14. They also have a pumpkin spice cinnamon sticks 3-piece face and eye brush and bag set for $14. And then they have the pumpkin spice, the basic essentials little, I don't know what it comes in here, but it's a little bag with some products inside for $12. They have the double shot faux espresso 2-pair foaming lash set and adhesive for $7. And then they have other shades to their liner and balm duos. And then let's see, they have the pumpkin latte baked highlighter, they have a chai baked highlighter, an apple swirl baked blush, cinnamon swirl baked blush, pumpkin spice harvest overnight lip mask. They have a pumpkin spice harvest mist setting spray and the pumpkin spice perfect blend sponge set and reusable cup. That one's $10. The setting spray is $8. The little overnight lip mask is $7. And then the blush and the highlighters are $7. So they have quite a lot to this collection. Let's get right into the eyeshadow look. I'm going to prime my lids a little bit using my favorite concealer at the moment. This one's really good as an eyeshadow base because it completely dries down. So you don't have to worry about like setting it or anything. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. Who else is excited for pumpkin spice sweater weather? I mean, we don't get that weather here in Texas for a long time, which I love, honestly. Like when I lived in Utah, the winters were so long and the summers were so short. You couldn't even really enjoy the summers because it just went by too quick. Literally, sometimes we would get maybe only like 2 months of summer. Also, can you tell that it's that time of the month? I have breakouts here and breakouts here because my skin is just going crazy. I honestly think I'm gonna go with the green because that's the one that kind of like stands out the most to me from this palette. I'm gonna start off with the lightest shade. Oh, okay, pigment. I'm gonna start off with that lightest green. Hello. And I'm gonna throw that into the crease. I'm gonna tap into this like very light orange shade just so I can have something to like blend this into. I wish they had more orange in here. That would make it so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty and pigmented. Wow. Yeah, I wish they had a little bit more orange, but I think this one should be just fine. I only want a little bit. These are so insanely pigmented. I expected nothing less. Honestly, I feel like their quality has gotten a lot better throughout the years. I've always loved their eyeshadows, but it's the type of eyeshadow that you have to like really like work with and build it over and over because they tend to be a little chalky. And these past collections have been short of amazing. Like, I am shook at how good they are for the price. Going back into the palette, and I'm taking the green next to it, which is a slightly deeper green. I think I'm just gonna keep, actually no, let's switch brushes. I'm gonna use something a little small since I want more detailed work. Ooh, this looks like a very deep forest green, almost like a moss green. And I'm gonna take this right here to just deepen up the crease. You already know me, and adding depth into my looks is a very common occurrence here. These are laying down so insane. Look at that pigment, y'all. Oh my goodness. And I like that they don't blend out into nothing compared to the James Charles palette. I haven't used that. I haven't touched it because I did not like the formula. I was so disappointed. The James Charles palette that I literally used once, the formula was trash, I'm sorry, and yeah, I'm never using it again. So a $14 palette is better than a $50 palette. That just goes to show you so much. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in the inner corners since we're doing a halo eye. This is stunning, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that green is going to be. It's like a dual chrome. It's like gold with obviously green. So let's pop her on. Not me trying to think that, not me thinking this was the mirror. It's what I've been using. That is so funny. I'm telling you, I need coffee. Okay, let's plop her onto the center. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. And I'm not even using glitter glue, nothing, literally just pressing that down because she doesn't need anything. She's independent. She only needs herself. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Gagged. Absolutely gagged. Oh my goodness. Could you tell that this was a $14 eyeshadow palette? I don't think so. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera and we can finish off the rest of the face. Can we take a moment and appreciate this eye look? Chef's kiss. Profusion, y'all killed it with this palette. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's finish off today's video by applying the baked blush and the baked highlighter. Again, this is the Apple Swirled Baked Blush from their Pumpkin Spice Latte collection or Pumpkin Spice collection. Super pretty. I will say, these blushes look a lot like highlighters. You know me. I am not a highlight blush girly. I love me a matte blush. Give me highlight and that's about it. So I did add blush because I filmed a whole nother video for y'all, but We're gonna go ahead and pick up some of this blush, and we're just gonna hope for the best. Oh my gosh, that has so much shimmer. Okay. You see that? Okay. It's not bad, right? But it just, again, boils down to like personal preference. It's just, for me, this is too much because I do have, especially when you're breaking out, like if you are having breakouts like this, blush with highlight is going to emphasize the heck out of your texture. So it's not a bad product. I'm not saying that. It's just not for me. These are products that I don't gravitate towards, products I don't use and I will not use. But I know some people out there loved baked blushes like this. Kudos to you. I am, however, going to try the baked highlighter because this just looks absolutely gorgeous. It's like a pink swirl. Low-key reminds me of like strawberry cheesecake. My favorite. Let's take a little bit of this and apply it on top of the cheeks. It's really pretty. What do you guys think of the highlight? It's really pretty. If you love very like in your face highlights, this is it. Last but certainly not least, quite literally my favorite out of all the launch. Well, we'll see if it's my favorite, but the thing I was most excited for, the Cashmere Lips Cozy Chai Lip Liner and Lip Balm Duo. First of all, the packaging. I am living for this plaid. I love wearing plaid during the fall. It's just so cozy and it gives all the vibes, okay? So that is what the packaging looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay. This lip liner. Oh my gosh, the gold with the end, like the brown. Gorgeous. I am obsessed with this lip liner. The formula, it's creamy, glides on the lips, very silky and creamy. It's a pretty, like, I don't know, it's almost like a mauve, like a burgundy mauve, but not so deep with like cool undertones. I don't know, but honestly, it pairs perfectly with this lip. And then again, the Cashmere Lips in Cozy Chai. Oh, I love that. This is going to be a very sheer lip balm. I stepped off camera just to like fix my hair, you know, final touches. And I am in love. I am in love with this entire collection. Like, this lip balm is literally so beautiful, so juicy, so glossy. This eye look is to die for. Like, look at the blend. Like, where are we seeing skipping? Where are we seeing patchiness? She is not here. She's not present. So if you're looking for a cute collection to pick up this fall that is affordable, you can find it at Walmart. I think they are exclusive to Walmart. I could be wrong. This is the collection of fall. The Pumpkin Spice Collection from Profusion definitely has my stamp of approval. And if you're asking me exactly what to get, go for the palette and go for the little lip combo. These are going to be my new go-to for the rest of the fall, okay? And also, let me know if you guys want to see more videos using this palette, because honestly, we can create so many more looks. So with that said, I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. What do you guys think? Are you picking up this collection? I will link it down in the description, but remember, Walmart also carries it. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye out and maybe pick up a few more things. So thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.